.703. So what's that? 97 grams. Ain't no biggie, but holy moly! I mean, instead of like tightening up the battery clamp, why don't you just convert these wires into being slightly nicer and more updated? That'd be great. Right, let's take out the mains, which are all intertwined into here. It's got probably the oldest cable setup in the world. So we do that to get the rear panel off nicely. One left. Take the buttons off. You have little hooks on the bottom here. These ones, for some reason, only this model. But like the 305 on the screws on the front for the front mains. And you've got this little clip here. Take off this front piece. Lift it one, but it's not. It's a slider one. Forgot. So you get that out. You can pull this out from this side. Take out your mains. DPI is only one, but you've got to remove these two buttons here. Two screws here, and the switch will come all the way out. Once you unscrewed it. Two more screws. The wire and harness out. So let's do the switches. Cal reds are around, see? And we're doing an encoder swap as well. We're putting in some Cal reds in this one, which look basically the Cal GM4s. Be very careful with encoders. Sometimes they're very tricky. There's no real advice other than some good tweezers and patience. You can, on some of the TTCs, change them a little bit, like pull out. You can also clip some of the legs off. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes they'll come out in one piece, sometimes they won't, but it's very, very difficult to do encoders. I would only do that if you're very advanced. Nice. Take away this. So now it's time to remove some weight. Got a gram out of it then, just over a gram. It's got the side buttons in, so it's at 27 grams, damn. Voila. We will take out all the weight we can. There's not much out you can get out the 703. 27, now it's 25. So about 2 grams off that one. 11.2. These ones are just more aggressive, but you can see the more the stress in the plastic. That was 11 grams, that's 9, not bad. Was 11.5 on it. Damn, 6.75, nice. Just sand down this little bit in it. Just check the pre-travel in this. A little bit of pre-travel. Not much, just that little. Look at that nice difference. So stock 240. reckon you guess the weight. I'm gonna go like 75, I reckon. RGB still works, everything still works. Oof, 77. Nice.